Hello YouTube, what's up? I hope you're doing fine. So let's say in this tutorial we are going to learn the drag drop feature in Visual Studio.NET. So I'll just use simple tools to let you know how we can use the drag drop feature in Visual Studio.NET. So I'm using a text box control as the source. So let's say I'm using a text box as a source, and then I'm taking one label which I will use as a target of the drop. So this is my target and this is the source. So let's say there is some text on my text box, so and I want to drag this text of this text box to the label text. So it's just for understanding, just an example. So how we can achieve it, like how the drag drop feature works. So we have to put some coding on the source and then on the target. So we can go to the coding part directly by double clicking it. So here you see that we are going to the text changed event of the text box, but we have to go to the drag mouse down feature, because we can initiate this we can trigger this event using the mouse down event, because when we click a mouse on this, it should start the drag. Okay, so I went to this mouse down feature, mouse down event. So here what we have to do, we have to call the drag drop feature text box 1 dot do drag drop. Okay, so it will call the do drag drop function with the data as object. So here I have to put what data I have to take from drag. So let's say I want to get the text of the text box, so I'm using this as a source data, and then I'm using the copy method, copy values. Okay, the effects that I'm allowing to be dragged, so I'm using the copy. Okay, and then what we have to do, if you go to the designer, so let's say now I want the drag to be dropped here on the label. This is the target. So if I go to this target and if I go to the drag enter event of this label, so here what I have to do, I have to there is a effect E, so I have to set the effect of this drag enter as the drag drop effects copy. So this is the effect that will happen, which specifies the effect of a drag drop operation. Okay, so then again if you go to the same label and now you select drag drop. Okay, so if I enter into the drag drop event of this, so what we have to do exactly, once the drag drop happens, so we have to make the label 1 dot text is equal to we have to get data from this drag source. So e dot data dot get data. Now we have to define a format, in which format we want the data. So let's say I want in text format, data formats dot text, and then I will convert it to string. So it will copy the string of this e data, which is being dragged from the source, and it will put it into the text of the label. Okay, so just let's try this. We'll try to run it. So this is my text of the text box. I'm just trying to drag this and I'm putting it to the label. So you see this is working. So the text of the text box is being dragged and dropped onto the labels text. So this is quite simple, just a basic example to learn how the drag drop works. So here you have to make sure one more thing, that the allow drop property of this text should be true. Okay, so allow drop property, you should make it true. Okay, so then only it will allow you to um, to mm, perform the drag drop operation. So this is quite simple, and this you can use in your project. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.